Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay back with another video. Hello, as you can see, we are finally back with the cash stuffing for the first paycheck of August. We are gonna get right into this. It is not gonna be too long because girl, do I even know how to record these videos anymore? It's been forever. So we're just gonna hop right into it. We are stuffing $100 today. I'll explain why and what we're doing, and basically we're doing a whole reset. So if you're interested in watching, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, hello you guys. All right, calm down. But I'm hype, okay, because I'm back and everything is a mess. We have to redo like everything. Half my envelopes are completely empty. If you guys haven't been following along, your girl had her baby early, 7 weeks early. I was in the hospital and my baby was in the hospital for almost a month, so we had to pull out of these envelopes to basically, you know, survive while we were in the hospital. So kind of refreshing, restarting this fall. So September, I think everything will kind of be back into the swing of things. But for now, we're still going to do a little bit of something. So we're actually stuffing $100, but I did put $185 towards grad school. I kept that electronic because last month while I was in the hospital, I forgot to pay and I got hit with that late fee. So I'm doing that electronically from now on just because things are like a little bit more hectic now. And then my gas money I kept in my debit card just so that I can just use my card. So that is that. So really it's a little bit more than 100, but we only have 100 for my actual envelopes. So check out this cute envelope. This is my new bank withdrawal envelope from Luxe Designs. I will leave her information down below. Basically you can put what you want, the quantity, the total, which bills, how much, and then the front is bank withdrawal. And she has other colors too, but you know your girl gonna get pink. So we have 2 20s, and I kept it real simple because I didn't feel like going inside. I just went to the ATM, so I got all 5s for everything else. So 2 20s and a whole bunch of 5s. So actually I'm just gonna start the little video off with, I'm gonna start doing this just in the start of my videos before we stuff into things. This is a little scripture. So for with God nothing shall be impossible, and that is Luke chapter 1 verse 37. Just gonna insert these each video just for a little something. All right, so off to the wallet. And I am so hyped that my new wallet from Taylor Budgets should be coming because look how dusty. I talk about this every single time. How dusty this thing is. Like I should have never got this color, but it's okay. It'll be gone soon. So like I said, gas is electronic. We're not giving that anything. Food, Toll's not getting anything. Food's getting $10. 5, 10. It's gonna be a real quick video. I missed you guys. How has everybody been? Date night is getting 20. Don't know if we're actually gonna be able to go out, but we will be ordering or something. Shopping is going to get $20, even though it shouldn't get anything because you guys, if I even added up how much I spent in June and July from being in the hospital and like just getting a whole bunch of stuff, you guys would be ashamed. So we're just not even gonna talk about it. And then dollar savings, I need to get a new dollar savings envelope. So for now I'm just keeping this in here because I only have $1 I spent on my other dollars. So then we have some coins. These have been sitting in there for a while, so we're gonna do this real quick because you guys know I always forget about the coins. So we have $81.14. We are getting to the top of the jar. Like we're getting there. Maybe by the end of the year. You guys see how long my nails have grown? I get the dip powder still. I gotta get them cut because they're super duper long. And I'm starting to be like restricted with things I can do like easily. And like also not trying to like scratch my child. So we gotta get them cut. I wanted to see how long they would grow out because you guys know I can't have this for work. We had a lot of quarters. A lot of quarters. And I did find a coin machine in the grocery store, so that's good. Alright, so we have a total of $85.77. That is good. Put that back in there. The money is so dirty. I feel the dirt on my hands now. It's grimy. Alright, so that is that. Now we will go into my cash envelopes. So everything's pretty much getting $5. I don't think anything else is getting any more. So fun money is getting $5. As I said, this video is going to be real easy. It has nothing in it and it's just going to be getting $5. Self-care has nothing in it and it's going to be getting $5. We are resetting. Emergency fund, took out of that because boy, oh boy, it was an emergency. If you guys want to know like all in detail of everything that happened and my birth story and everything and all that, you can check out my birth story video. I uploaded it not too long ago, so you won't even bring that up in here. But I'm glad I am back. Car maintenance has $70 and it's going to be getting $5. I do need to save for brakes when I go get my oil change. I need back brakes. 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. So I gotta save for that. Medical dental has nothing. I used all of that. And we're gonna put $5 in that. Then we're gonna go into our sinking funds. So birthdays and gifts has 15. It's gonna be getting 5. 5, 10, 15, 20 is what we have now. All the birthdays on my husband's side are about to start, so whew, nowhere near ready for that. Hubby is getting 5. It only has 5 in there. Vacation is empty. It's going to be getting 5. Grad school, I already told you guys. I put $185 in my grad school checking account, and then I did pay my bill, the payment that was due. And so we have $668 left that I have to pay, what is it, August, September, by October. So we'll be saving up for that. Textbooks is not getting anything. It has $5. Christmas is getting $5. There should be $130 in here. So we should have a total of $135. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135. And we're trying to get to 500. So we have a lot of work to do and a little bit of time. Simplykay is not getting anything. I do have an order for a birthday. I'm making about 13 wine glasses, so I'll have some income coming from that, and that will go right into this envelope for our next project. P.O. Box is not getting anything. I honestly need to look into whether or not I'm going to make anything and sell things from my Etsy shop or not, because we're wasting a lot of money with that, and I'm trying to do the best that I can to not be wasting money, especially a lot. So we'll see. I think I'm going to get back into it. I have some ideas and some things that I'm working on, so just stay tuned for my Etsy shop for that. Giving is going to be getting $5. It has $40 in there now, so we should have a total of $45. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I did dip into this to bless this young man who was playing his violin on the street, and it was beautiful. And I think he was like in high school, so I did give him some money. But yeah, that is our probably the quickest cash stuffing we've ever done. It was only $100, so you know it wasn't going to be that long. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. I'm going to be introducing the savings challenge that I'm doing for the rest of the year in the next video, and then it's going to be a lot more money the next video because I had to pay some things with this check and kind of reset and get everything back together. So this is just kind of like a little step back into the door, but the second check of August should be a little bit back to normal. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions down below, just leave them down below and I'll answer them in my next video. And any requests that you have for videos, honestly, that are related to finance and cash stuffing, anything like that. Yeah, so thank you for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.